Welcome to example number 4. How we will do it? We begin by draw these two slots, one by 50, one by 34. Draw after that this profile, and we finish with a rib here. Let's get started. Solidworks. Oh fuck. So from plane, sketch, we draw one. I'll show you. The first one is 15. We dimension it, so R15. Okay, give it here a length 100, and we can use here offset. We see here 34 minus 15. It will be okay. 34 minus 15. Okay, we select it. It's 19. Okay. Go to Futures, Extrude. 52. We will make that profile. So from plane, sketch, we will draw here a circle, another one concentric with this one, two tangents, one here, and one here, perpendicular on the surface, just or vertical. This circle needs to be 50 diameter, this one 80, okay, this circle with this circle need to be on the line, so we select it, put vertical, we have a dimension from here to here is 76. Okay, this line with this line is so we select these two lines, make it parallel, and that is it. Trim this edge, and don't forget to close this. So we choose this edge and this edge, go on convert entities, we'll make a line and trim this unused line. That is it. So Futures, 34, Extrude, 34. Okay, now we will make that rib. So we will select from plane, sketch, make a line here to here to be tangent. If not, select this circle and line and make it with a relation, automatic relation tangent. Also this line and circle, tangent. Okay, here is not too good. You can use here trim. This will make it for construction. Okay, now features, go to rib, modify the direction. Now thin both sides, only one side. Here we will put 22 and give it a okay. So that was it. Isometric view, and put up material to look better. See you in next examples. Cheers.